Hi, and welcome to our tutorial on how to navigate your time off dashboard and get the most out of it. Connecteam's time off feature allows managers to manage their employees' paid and unpaid time off and customize their time off policies. They can track each employee's time off balance and respond to any time off request in real time. To begin, this section contains all existing paid and unpaid policies, and you can create new ones based on your needs. We have created the 3 most common policy types, assigned to all of your users by default: paid time off, sick leave, and unpaid leave. This is where you can create or customize any existing time off policy. You can define your policy rules, assign your employees, and add their balances. Now, here is the time off summary table, which lets you keep track of all your employees' approved hours and remaining balances. If an employee has been taking too much sick time or has balances too high towards the end of the year, this is the perfect place to spot them. You can either look at all of your policies or select a date range and choose a policy type to get a more specific drill down. In the Insights tab, you can quickly view the total approved hours per policy. Finally, all your approved time off and balances can be exported with the click of a button. Thank you for watching.